Right, so one of my next things on my to-do is clear up this area here. If you remember, I had heat pumps put in. So the oil boilers are no good to me at all. Now, this boiler here has probably got 300-400 litres of oil. And I know in this old tank, there's probably about the similar amount in there. Now, our good friends, you may have seen them on with Terry and Ash on LRSL, have come over to help me. Mark's got a use for the boiler, so why not use it rather than take it to the tip, etc., as it's all working. But he's got the horrible job of emptying. What's Tanya doing the emptying? But yeah, we're going to get this emptied today. He's brought a container over to put all the oil in. And then, well, we'll maybe a manpower then. A bit, exactly. We'll bring Ash over. He's the manpower over there. And we'll get all this out. This will probably need a few of us to get out, not the lightest, the boiler itself. But it's good, the fact it's going to be reused at another place.
So I'm going down to see how the workers are getting on. Down to the cellar. Oh, all I can smell is oil fumes, paint fumes. Hold on a sec, I've got caught on the way. Oh, it's a nail on my jumper. Duh. There should be an awful lot more space down here now. Oh, hey, how's it going? Adrian, you're on camera, don't swear.
It's done!
It's emptied. What do you mean it's done? Oh, it's emptied, yeah. So, see the balloon's gone as well.
So
had a bit of a spillage, did we?
Minimal. Yeah. That's safety, just put it down, yeah, soak it up. That'll be next.
Not today.
No, Mark said he can do that on his own, he can lift that up there. Superman.
He's He-Man, yeah.
Yeah. The old oil tank and the boiler behind you.
Yeah. Hopefully
so
get that on one load.
That'll be another day.
Yeah.
But it'll be so much more space down here, won't there?
So if anyone needs any DIY, this sort of thing doing, contact Bricko Mark.
I think he's got his hands full.
And he'll block you.
Bricko William.
And where's Tanya? Sat in the back of the van still?
Yeah, I think she's having a drink and a cake.
So the old balloon tank is there, and behind that is a huge half tank of oil that Mark and Tanya have taken away for their place, well, William's new project. You can obviously see that, as we've mentioned before, on YouTube. Bricko Mark, all the best to them.
Right, well, early start. I'm on a mission today, so I want to clear up this area down here. Now, I've just finished the trade shows up in London, and Christy from Asmodee kindly has given me some of the AstroTurf that was used on an event. And I thought it would look good here, cleaned up, because it would never grow grass, but I think this area could look nice. And if I ever got the chance, actually, I'd reinstate the roof along here, because I think this is a really valuable place for keeping all our the wheelie bins for the storage. Just general garden stuff can stay under here dry. Not at the moment. So I'm going to lay that down anyhow, and well, see how it looks. Well, as you see, all done. It didn't take long at all, actually. That should suppress the wheeze. So we put the cardboard down underneath, but it's certainly a good temporary measure, and well, we'll see how we get on with it. But at least now it's cleaned that area up, wheelie bins in here, and not tripping over things every 5 minutes. And I think it looks a lot nicer when you're coming round the coach house on the way to the courtyard and secret garden. So it's the first thing you see, actually. So it is nicer to clear it up. Again, another big thank you to Christy. Let me have the use of this after an exhibition. It ends up in the bin, as I've said before, which is a real shame. So if you can recycle things like this, then all the better, as it's free. Thank you. So there we have it. As I was saying, first thing you see when you come around here for the is a little bit cleaned up from what it used to be. So much moisture around it. It's the humidity here in the moment in northern France is unbelievable. So grass is loving it at the moment, but it's a long time before we cut it. And as you know, then through the courtyard, down through the gap there into the secret garden. So that's been a busy week in the UK. We've literally just got back into France off the ferry, and hey ho, we're at Bacont. Carol's on a mission. What are you on a mission for at the moment, darling?
We're going to find this table for my horse's lamp, whether we like it or not.
Yes, there's a couple in con, so we thought we'd just pop in here on the off chance. We also would like to look out for, I'm quite keen on, actually an idea that I saw Château de Bruges did, where they put some chandeliers and just slowly drop them down the hallway, sorry, down the stairway. So in other words, find possibly a couple of chandeliers similar. I don't mind if I have to work on them and fix them, but we'll put them on chains so they're on each floor. So we're going to look out for that as well, but let's go and have a look inside. Now forget the chandelier in the hallway. I actually like the idea of that. Wow. I don't think Carol will go with that, though.
No, but that's a really pretty chandelier.
That's really pretty. Yes, darling.
Nice pair.
You don't hang around. They go nicely with your shirt as well if you were sat in there.
They're a nice pair, aren't
Yeah,
they?
gold, your gold nails as well.
Look at this mirror.
What am I looking at? The price?
It has no price.
No, I'm not surprised. I think that one might be a bit above the budget. You like it? Oh, with the mirror as well.
Yes, but not as much as I like that little desk there with the two chairs. You turn around, that's really nice.
I'll turn around. Oh, you mean this one? Yes. Just for everyone to know, that is 230 euros.
A bit cold.
It is quite chilly and it's warmer outside.
What a cute little one down here that I saw and I liked.
Okay, show us.
Or should I say I like? I like it. Oh, nice frame.
Two you found then.
Yeah, come and look at this first.
I'm coming.
Unfortunately, it's very well beaten at its price. That's really nice, that. I'm not really dressed appropriately for this one, right?
The red doesn't really quite go with the green, but there you go.
This is a chair just for me, because I like my space.
It's 3 seats.
Yeah, but I like my space.
How much? Oh, here we go. 240 euros.
So Adrian's found a table he likes.
No, I did say I liked it.
Oh, I found a table that I like, and we're not quite agreeing on this. We've got obviously
different tastes,
views, definitely different tastes on what should go there.
What do they say? Opposites attract.
Can you see this frame? I really like the block colour around it, this navy around it. That's an idea. We've got a frame like that. Ignore the picture. I think that's a nice touch though, having it a different colour. So I really like the look of this one here, the detail in it and the drawer handles. Oh look, it's a cutlery drawer. It's a dinner service cabinet.
When do we ever do dinner services?
I've got so much cutlery that we've collected, along with all the dinner services. Oh, brilliant! Oh, I love that.
Now look at the price and tell everyone.
Yeah, I don't love the price.
It's got 0 on the end, I know that.
It's 250. It's a real shame because I really like that piece.
To go where?
Well, you know, it's supposed to be a dining room because of the cutlery, but...
We're looking for one under a horse in the hallway.
I know.
Oh no.
I don't think we're going to have much luck here, so let's go to the next one. Unfortunately, there's nothing that we can afford in that one, so let's go over the road to the other one.
We just popped round the side of the building because usually you find some junk around here. It might be worth it. Now,
it's an old dentist chair. Yeah. Look, it's got the stand too.
That's giving me the heebie-jeebies.
That's,
that's brilliant.
The gas and air. Psst, psst, psst.
Could do with some of that right now.
I've spotted something down here.
Come on then.
They're all stoves.
What did you think it was?
I thought it was a table. I saw the legs, but it's actually, these are all stoves. So they're no good either.
Okay. Right, so we just popped over to the Bacon, actually almost opposite the one we just been at. The last one didn't really have any chandeliers at all. None that would work anyhow that I want. See anything apart from your swan?
Well, at least they know how to transport chandeliers properly.
Well, we don't.
Just saying.
That's because when we buy them, they're already broken. It doesn't really matter. So this one in the corner here is needs a bit of work on it. The trouble is, as I said, I'm really looking for 2 to hang down. But oh my word, that shows the sort of bargain we got in the one we found for the hallway. 1,220 euros. So we didn't get much luck in Caen, so this is en route anyhow on our way back to the Chateau in Domfront. We've been here numerous times, bought lots of stuff from here, so on the off chance, we'll have a look. Now there's my bargain find. That's so cool.
Do you not like the kitchen unit? It's so 70s, 60s, 70s.
Love it.
Oh, my mum would have had one of them.
Except I wasn't around when they made this.
Nor I. I found something that you did have though when you were younger.
That was a long time ago, but what was it? Rubik's Cube.
I don't think your mum had one like that.
Is that actually metal?
Actually, she dragged you along, didn't she?
You mean she dragged me up?
It's the end of a long day's hard work, hence the paint all over the hands. They are clean, but I thought it was a perfect time just to open up a couple of gifts that we got. Look what I've been sent. I've put it in a cushion already. Look. Someone appreciates my William Morris obsession.
Yes, very nice.
That's really nice, thank you very much. And also, not only that, but 2 more cushion covers.
William Morris?
Yes.
Wow.
William Morris design as well.
Well, as you'll know, there is Carol's William Morris.
So obsessed that she has matching placemats as well.
Oh yes.
Also a lovely case with some brushes in. All these brushes, I'm spoiled for choice now.
Ah, who's this from?
This is from Jeff Harris. Thank you very much for, he says in his card, all the his appreciation for all the videos and sharing our family life, etc. And I think he got a bit carried away with 1, 2, but there's 4 in there. Gold leaf.
Wow. Oh, that's the stuff you were trying to get from America.
Yes.
Yes.
So, not only that, thank you very much to Jeff for that, but Kenneth Goss has also sent us another Babesh as a spare.
Means I can drill one, doesn't it?
Oh, I think you're putting that job off. The other one's here. But yes, you can have 2 attempts at that.
2 attempts? How many did he say? Oh, okay. Oh, sorry, yeah. Second time lucky.
Also, liquid leaf.
Everyone wants you to do more gold.
I've got more gold planned, don't worry, it will not go to waste. And he also sent these sponges to use. All different shapes and sizes though.
For you or for the chateau?
Oh, I might use for you actually. So thank you so much to both of you for your kindness, and you appreciate us and we appreciate you, so thank you very much. I was also watching my friend Charlie, who I used to work with at Laura Ashley, do a video on upholstery, and he was using these little scissors. Now I've been trying to find these everywhere. Little pelican nose scissors so that you can get really close.
Like this.
Don't get my nails in it, for goodness sake. Really close to the fabric when you're cutting along the staples. So yeah, I was really pleased when I found those as well.
Where did you find those?
In a department store.
Oh, okay, not online. No. Oh, that was a stroke of luck.
Yeah. So it pays to watch YouTube. Thank you, Charlie.